Today we are going to make this neon glowing beam in Alight motion. So let's open Alight motion. First of all, I have added some images. Then add a black solid color shape. Now only one effect has to be added on this shape. This one, but if you have an old version of motion, then definitely update it, because this effect is not there in the old version. So now have a look at all my steps, how I have made this beam. And you can also make more unique animation by doing experiment.